Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to take a public figure off Instagram. First, it's crucial to understand Instagram's policies regarding impersonation. You'll need to gather clear evidence, such as screenshots of the profile and any misleading posts, to support your claim. Then, locate the specific profile on Instagram that you believe is impersonating a public figure. This initial preparation ensures your report is strong and clear. Once you're on the profile page, look for the three dots icon, usually located in the top right corner. Tapping this will open a menu of options. From there, select Report to initiate the reporting process. Next, you'll be prompted to specify why you're reporting the account. Choose It's inappropriate, and then select Impersonation as the reason for your report. After selecting Impersonation, Instagram will ask if the account is impersonating you or someone else you know. Choose the appropriate option. You'll then need to provide the official Instagram username of the public figure being impersonated. It's important to clearly explain in the provided text box how this fake account is misleading other users or violating the public figure's identity. Be concise and factual in your description. After submitting your report, Instagram's team will begin their review process, which typically takes a few days. You can monitor the status of your report by checking your support inbox within the Instagram app. If Instagram requires more information or clarification, they will contact you through this inbox. Be prepared to provide any additional details to help them resolve the issue efficiently and effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.